Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you analysis and designing of G+9 building with horizontal walk by using Staad Pro V8i software. So I was already modeled this respected G+9 building in my previous video. I will provide you the video link in the below description and above the card. So please watch that video initially. Open your Staad Pro software. Click on Staad Pro software here. So here I am selecting this respected file ZZZ. So this is my G+9 story building. So please follow that previous video for modeling this respected structure. So after that we need to apply the supports for this respected building. So for that initially keep the structure in front of you. Click on general option. Select your supports. Click on create option here. Add your fixed supports. Select your support 2. We need to apply this respected supports at the base. So just I am selecting all the node points at the base. Click on assign to selected nodes. Assign. Yes. So after that keep your structure in 3D view now. The fixed supports are assigned to the respected building like this. So after that we need to define the load cases for this respected structure. So for this building just I am assuming load cases will be consisting of dead load, live load, floor load, earthquake load as well as wind load. Initially we need to define the seismic load as well as wind load. So select your loads and definitions option. Select your definitions here. Select your seismic definitions. Click on add button. So here we need to select the IS code. Just I am selecting IS 1893 2002 code. Click on generate properties. So it will load the values of the seismic parameters table like this. So here I am selecting the zone 5 which is consisting of 0.36 is the zone seismic zone value. So just I am selecting it as special RC moment resisting frames all buildings. So here I am assuming as a medium soil condition. So here we need to change the dumping ratio. Just I am taking it as 0.05. Click on generate option. So it will add the properties for this respected zone 5 values like this. Click on add button. So after that we need to select the self weight value. Just I am assuming it as 1. Click on add button. Again select your member weights here. So here we need to change the loading type from concentrated load to uniform load. So here we need to give the dead load for the respected higher dimensions of the beam. So just I am calculating here. So here I am calculating the higher dimensions of the respected beam. So just I am selecting it as 0.23 cross 0.5 is my beam. We need to multiply this with the unit weight of the concrete. So it will give the value of 2.875. So we need to give the value of 2.875 here. Click on add button, close option. So after that select your uniform load of 2.875. So here we need to select the front view option. So we need to select all the beam sections for this respected model. Just I am selecting all the beams. So click on assign to selected beams option. Assign. Yes. So after that we need to define the wind load for this respected building. So for that select your wind definitions option. Click on add button. So here we need to add the wind 1 type 1. Select add option, close option. Select this type 1 wind 1. Click on add button. So here we need to calculate the values of the intensity of wind load as per AC code. Just I am calculating as per AC. Select this respected option here. So here we need to select the AC7 code 2010. So here I am assuming terrain category will be consisting of 4 and just I am taking it as 50 is the value of wind load. Meter per second is the values. So click on apply button. So after that select main building data. So just I am assuming height of the building will be consisting of 36 here. So here we need to change the units to the meter. Just I am taking length of the building is 18. Again width of the building is 18. We need to change the values to the meters here. Select apply button. So after that select building design pressure, windward, click on apply, click on OK. So it will add the intensity for this respected height like this. So click on add button here. So we need to add the exposure factor as 1, add it, close option. So select the exposure 1 factor, click on assign to view option, assign, yes. So it will add the exposure for the respected node points like this. So after that we need to apply the load cases. Select load case details option here, click on add button. So initially we need to select the seismic load condition. Just I am assuming earthquake load in x direction option here, click on add it. Again I am selecting earthquake load in z direction condition for this respective structure, click on add button. So select your wind load option. Just I am taking the title as WX here, click on add option. So after that wind load in z direction. Now we need to add dead load condition. Just I am selecting it as DL option, click on add. So after that select the live load option. Just I am taking it as LL, add button, close option. So after that select the earthquake load in x direction condition, click on add button. So here we need to select the seismic load which is in x direction with factor 1, add it, close option. Select earthquake load in z direction, click on add button. Select the seismic loading condition with the z direction with the value of 1, add button, close option. Select the wind load in x direction, click on add button. So here we need to select the wind load which is in windward facing direction with factor 1, add button. So after that we need to select the value as -1, click on add button, close option. Now we need to select wind load in z direction, click on add button. So here we need to select the wind load option in z direction with the factor 1, click on add button. Again I am selecting it as -1 in opposite direction, add it, close option. So after that select the dead load option here, click on add button. So here we need to add the self weight for this respected building. Select the live load option, click on add button. So here we need to select the floor load option. It will be consisting of -2 which is acting at a distance of 3 as well as 36. Click on add button, close option. So after that select the self weight option, assign to view, assign yes. So after that we need to define the load combinations. So select the loading case details, click on add button. So here we need to select auto load combination option for generating the load combination as per IS code. Select auto load combination. So here we need to select the Indian code option, click on generate loads. So it will generate the load combinations for this respected building like this. Click on add button, close option. So after that go to analysis and print option, add your no print option, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we need to check for the zero errors for this respected structure. So here my model is observed with zero errors. Click on done option. Go to post process mode, apply your all load cases, click on OK. So this is the deflection diagram for this respected building due to presence of the dead load condition. So after that select the beam. So this is the bending moment diagram for this respected structure. So after that select Fy value. So this is the shear force diagram for this respected structure. So after that go to select animation button, select deflection, click on apply, click on OK. So this is the deflection due to presence of dead load. Earthquake load in x direction condition, earthquake load in z direction condition, wind load in x direction, wind load in z direction, dead loading, live loading. So this is the deflection diagram for this respected building. So after analysis part is completed, we need to design this respected building as per IS 456-2000 code. So for that click on modeling option here, click on design option. So here we need to select the concrete option. So we need to select the IS code. Just I am selecting IS 456 option here. Click on select parameters. Initially we need to deselect all selected parameters. So after that we need to select compressive strength, yield strength of shear reinforcement. Click on OK. Select define parameters option. So for this building just I am assuming M40 grade concrete. So 40,000. Click on add button. Again select steel. Just I am assuming it has 600 grade steel, 600,000. Click on add button. Again select Fy section. Again it is also 600 grade, 600,000. Click on add button, close option. So after that select the commands option here. Click on add your beam command, design column command, slab element command. Click on add your slab element command. Select your takeoff, close option. So after that we need to assign this respected question marks. Select FC, click on assign to view option, assign yes. So after that select Fi main, click on assign to view, assign yes. Again I am selecting section reinforcement, assign to view, assign yes. So after that select the design beam command, So initially we need to keep the structure in front of you. Next I'm selecting all the beam sections for this respected model. So after that go to assign to selected beams option, assign, yes. So after that select the column command here. So after that select design column command, go to select option, beams parallel to y direction, click on assign to selected beams, assign, yes. So after that select design element, assign to view, assign, yes. So after that go to analysis and print option, add your no print option, close option, go to analyze option, run analysis, save it. So here we need to check for the zero errors for this respected design also. So here my model is checking for the zero errors. So here my model is observed with zero errors. Click on done option. So select your post to proceed mode again deselect the bending moment diagram. So just I'm deselecting bending moment diagram. Select the beam option, deselect bending moment diagram. So here we need to select any one of the beam or column. Just I'm selecting it as beam for this respected model. So for that go to dynamic zoom option here. So just select this respected option. So here I'm selecting this respected beam number 4808. Just double click on it, click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design for this respected building. It will be consisting of 6 bars of 10 mm dia, 470 center to center distance, and bottom reinforcement is also consisting of 6 bars of 10 mm dia, 30 center to center distance. Click on cancel button, select this column, click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design. So it will be consisting of 20 number of bars of 12 mm dia. AST percentage is 0.90 and AST requirement is 2000 mm square. Click on close option. So after that click on close option. Now we need to see the Staad output file for this respected model. So for that go to click on Staad output file option here. Click on results option. So click on concrete design. So this is the concrete design for this beam and column sections for this respected G+9 building with horizontal work. So it will be consisting of each and individual calculations for this respected reinforcement values for this structure. So this is the process, analysis and designing of this respected G+9 building with horizontal work. In my upcoming video I will explain you foundation design for this respected building by using Staad software. Thank you.